ito para iatupag mo po, ganyan. Ang dami na nating utang. Mawala ka sa niya, anak ko, ha? Puro kayo pagpapasaya eh. Pero wala kayong palita pagdating sa problema.
Hindi ka naman ko lang. Tumigil ka na. Sandali lang. Pasensya mo, sasama ko. Bila! Bila! Ano sinasabi ng problema? Baka makatulong ako.
Wala, ano. Tungkol lang sa pera, mga bayarin utang na.
Ganyan naman yung dalawang yan eh. Araw, gabi, bangayan. Makaka-high blood tuloy.
Alam niyo ba, naalala ko sa inyo yung ako.
Nakaka-high blood din siya sa'yo.
Pagpasensya mo na si Linda. Minsan man maayos ang amo doon eh. Nagkakaroon ng maraming problema ngayon. Ano nga ba yung pangalan mo?
Ako po si Hector, Lieutenant Hector Victorino. Kasama po ako sa top 10 graduating class.
Lieutenant. Ay, hindi ako papaligoy-ligoy pa. Ano bang papayo sa anak? Gusto ko pa anak.
Ano naman ang gusto mo sa kanya?
Kung titingnan niyo, nangungusap ko yung mga mata niya.
Ano pa?
Nakikita ko rin po, Lola, nung kabataan ninyo sa inyo niya naman yung ganda.
Ang ibig mo sabihin, hindi na ako maganda.
Nay. Ako na ako.
Paano ko to?
Lieutenant. Ano masasaktan mo rin ako? Alam mo, ulis din ako dati. Alam ko yung mga galawan. Ako man yung gusto mo sa anak ko, iniiwan mo na.
Hindi naman po ako ganun.
Tatay.
Kaya ako nga nandito eh. Para makilala kayo lahat at mahingi ng permission ninyo. Kasi gusto mong pakasalan naman ako.
Pakasalagan. Hindi ka pa nga sinasagot eh.
Lieutenant. Ang gusto ko lang naman siguraduhin na hindi mo sasaktan yung anak mo. Patuhin mo siya ng tama, wala kayong problema.
Yun naman po yung pinapangako kong gawin sa habang buhay namin pagsasama.
Sige, Lieutenant. Salamat sa pagkatid mo sa anak ko, ha? Pagkatihin ka pa eh. Mag-ingat ka, ha? Salamat.
Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa pagpapatuloy niyo sa akin. Wala. Kita tayo bukas. Sige.
Kung gay, maghahanap ka rin lang ng maniligaw, may galing-galingan mo na. Para pakinggan mo sinama mo.
Hindi ko naliligaw yun. Hindi. Napilitan lang talaga ako. Makakulit niya. Yun lang. Tsaka, gusto eh.
Basta, mag-iingay ka sa taong yun. Hindi natin alam kung ano talaga kailangan niya sa'yo. Mahirap na.
Oo naman, tay. Mabantay ako.
Teka nga, dadalhin itong bulakat nito doon sa lamay ng kapitbahay natin, ha? Nakapakinabangan naman.
Sige, Anay. Kamusta nga pala yung spasyo ng kapatid mo? Nabasong ba yung cellphone niya? Nakita ba kayo?
Wala na eh. Ang hirap ko yung buksan yung cellphone niya eh.
Sige, basta mag-update ka, balitaan mo kami. At okay, huwag kang gagawa ng anumang akpang na wala kang kasama, ha? Hindi natin alam kung anong klaseng halimaw itong gumawa nito sa kapatid mo. Sige, ako magbabagay ulit sa Miraos eh.
Sige tayo, mag-ingat ka ah.
This weekend!
Nagpapuso na!
Handa ng mag-face-to-face ang Your Face sa Familiar Cast.
Sa pagitan ng mainit at malamig. Steve!
Ready nang makipagsabay ng ating favorite child stars.
Sanjeev, pull the string. out loud.
On point! It was so obvious that you were enjoying this. Alam mo, wala akong sinulak. Bakit? Sandali.
Your face sounds familiar. 7:15 p.m.
Dapat hindi mo tinago yun sa akin. So, kapag nagkakaulit niya, report ko sa polis. Ako kakausap. Kukuha ako na abogado. May panggasos na matay dyan.
Ang pangakong walang iwanan. Ano man ang mangyari sa'yo, huwag kang mag-alala. Nandito na ako. Kaya bang ipaglaban?
Mamihal na ito ni sa buhay. Hindi kikita na 1,000,000. Ano man na ito? Kasi hindi mo pinaghihirapan mo. Nakakadiring tanggapin ang pera mo yan. Kung sasama lang siya sa akin, malaki ang mamalahin niya. Pag magkakaita mo siya, go ahead.
Weeknights, 10:15 p.m.
Ang Monday, nagiging manhid day. Tuesday, tusok-tusok day. Wednesday, nerve pain day. Pabalik-balik na lang.
5-year-old can use 4 times B12 versus a generic brand. Helps repair nerve damage from the source so symptoms don't bother you again. You're okay.
Good in those areas because you can pass that and you can shoot out of that. It's an underrated skill of the bigs to be able to be good right there in that short roll area. They have to be good in that area.
The Hauser getting up there with the edge calling corrals it for Philip Barlow. Shot out of Tillman defending right off the bench, and he's calling for the foul as Barlow has a chance at three.
Barlow looks impressive. He's on the defensive play where he blocked Derek White. Running the floor. Hauser did a good job. Just pulls back. It's going to be a block, but Barlow stuck with it, got the layup.
Barlow is a two-way guy for the Sixers, 22 years old, 4th season in the pros.
So 22-year-old two-way guy starts. First name was Seamus. Yeah, I can see why. They give him good size. He's got quickness.
Gives the Sixers a 3-point lead just over 3 minutes in the first game of the year. Eli Edwards now 11 3-point attempts per game in the preseason. This time he sprays it. Jordan Craig connects. Kelly Oubre now in year 11 on Kansas. Hauser defends Maxey. Embiid on the pick and pop.
The score, the sections, basically everything on that layup. So Eddie pulls up for three. All of a sudden at 14 for TNT. This is when TNT is most dangerous. They leave Olaro alone, he makes that shot, and then on transition, quick attack there, gonna shoot a ton of transition threes. It's
Good eyesight makes perfect moments. For an expert eye care, state-of-the-art facilities, affordable eyewear. Go to EO. EO Executive Optical love your eyes.
Mag-twist sa pansit. Pansit na dog recipes. Luto ng pansit na dog fried with egg. Lucky pansit na dog omelette. Try mo na para sarapin na sa cheese.
Pwede makipag-kaibigan. Others are exposed to 200 cold viruses, but protected by making friends. I only choose Nido 3 Plus with up to 1 billion probiotics. Sulong for respiratory protection. Nido 3 Plus, your active love.
Pinaka-pinipili or pinakamalaki. Pinakamasarap, Chicken Joy. Pinaka-pinipili or pinakamalaki. Pinakamasarap, Chicken Joy. Kaya chosen by 4 out of 5 Pinoy. Pinaka-pinipili or pinakamalaki. Pinakamasarap, Chicken Joy.
Still searching for a real dark spot solution? Here's the answer. Nivea Super 10 Body Serum with Niacin Glow Active. Penetrates 10 skin layers to reduce stubborn dark spots for bright skin in 5 days. Nivea is for skin.
With Saffron Starlight. And now, Christmas crayon bars. Creamy sweet angel condensada. Your playground, now online. At the has over 1,500 games, a secure and fast gameplays. Meron kang pay for fun option to try all the games. Ibang swerte ko. Bet.elite.ph.
Pag nilagnat after bakuna, tembra agad.
Pero di pa siya kumakain. Pwedeng bigyan ng tetra kahit wala pang kain.
Fast take, no shake, mocha instantly. Ang galing ng tetra.
Nagsusukat nilagnat ka na. Paano kainan ng gamot? Tetra, mommy. Ang tetra, pwede kahit walang laman ng tiyan.
Fast take, no shake, mocha instantly. Ang galing ng tetra.
Today's Baon Rich. Lemon Square Cheesecake.
6 fresh eggs and milk para packed with milky cheese sarap.
Magpakabusog sa school para alert and active. Choose Lemon Square Cheesecake.
Biden's perfect match. Tutulungan kita hanapin ang perfect match mo. What's your secret? Yes, what you see is what you get. It's a match, just like Kingzone. Our choice of table game in the Philippines. Get up to 100% deposit bonus plus 1% daily first deposit free game. Unbelievable talaga! Bigay na ako sa di nakaka-stress. Play for fun. Play responsibly. Gambling is not an accepted way of livelihood and does not solve financial problems.
Ang hanap ng Red Horse Beer, extra strong na mo. Lakas ng tama pero di wasak sa hamon ng bukas. Red Horse Extra, the number one extra beer in the world.
Pasko na ulit. Holiday rush everywhere. Daming gagawin, daming handaan. Need more help? We got you. Dahil ang best Christmas gift ay food so good na tikong si tita. Fried chicken, burger, and more. Pasko na, we got you.
Panda?
Body pain? Use Salonpas. With the right penetration of ingredients, relieves pain immediately. Gives long-lasting relief that lasts up to 8 hours. For pain that massage alone can't relieve, use Salonpas. Relief that sticks for up to 8 hours. Let's go! With aging, nagkaka-muscle decay, which leads to higher risk of illness and even more muscle decay. Yan ang cycle of weakness. Kaya may pinalakas na Ensure Gold with Strength Pro. May HMB to help build muscle mass and YBG to help build immunity. Let's help build the cycle of strength. Ensure Gold with Strength Pro.
Promise me, hindi ka mabibitin.
With Bet88, hindi ka mabibitin sa laro. Secure at napakaraming payment options for fast cash in and out ng panalo mo. Ibang swerte ko.
Bet88.ph. Taas ng lagnat, ingat sa dehydration. Mag-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration.
Nawa!
Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite.
From Taisho.
May diarrhea si baby. Mag-ingat sa dehydration. Mag-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite.
From Taisho.
Hindi mo dun malapit sa kanya. Sige. Sige ka. Inumin mo to. Sige na. Diyos ko, Erika. Pasalamat ka nandito ako para alagaan ka. Nung buntis ako kay kuya mo, hirap na hirap kaya ako. Walang umaalalay sa akin. Wala akong kakampi. Swerte ka nandito ako. Alam mo nga kapag sabi ko, maswerte na ako. Hoy. Erika, umi-effort ako ha. Magkakaapo na ako. Kaya hindi ko kayo papabayaan kahit na ayaw ko yung sitwasyon mo. Salamat ka, wala yung PR na yan dito para apihin ka katulad ng ginawa niya sa akin nung buntis ako. Saan ba si Lola? Malay ko dun. Umayas. Kita mo na. Hindi ko na rin kaya itong pamilya. Alam mo, Lux ko, kung hindi ka involved, kasi sigurado naman ako hindi ka sagsisipagtulong sa akin. Mas gusto mo pang mapahamak ako eh.
Hindi porke pinagbibigyan kita, pwede mo na akong pagsalitaan ng ganyan, nanay ka. Nanay mo pa rin ako. Pag may nangyari sa'yo, sino ba masisisi ka? Ako, di ba? Ako naman lagi nasisisi.
Kaya nga. Oh. Kaya ang ginagawa niya kita ng pagpungan. Ikaw mo na yun, ha? Ikaw masisisi.
Ito ang pagkakataon kung bakit hindi kayo dito. Sa ginawa niya kay Kuya David. Pati ang integuitan ko rin. Magbabayad kami dito.
All you need is a complete clearance approval. Hindi mo ka magawa yun. Ilang daan milyon ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. It's not peanuts.
Ano ba kasi ito sa hindi natin malusutan? Alam mo naman pala yung sagot eh, tinanong mo pa.
Fix it before I go there and do it myself. Go!
Hindi, papunta ako eh. Hindi na ayos tayo, magpunta tayo lang. It's just about our wine, Kuya. Sabi ko eh. Wala nang wine tayo. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Saan na kami? Saan na kami? Sige, andun na kami. What the hell is going on, Kuya? Saan ba tayo papunta? Siguro kami sa pawala. Ang daming setong ambush to tayo. Dapat natin may pinakatagpusan naman ng yan.
That's a good reason to celebrate. Sana tinawagan ninyo yung contact para itawag ko na baka. Hindi na kailangan, Chief. Backup namin yung isa't isa. Alam ko na lang mababae ko ba? Tapos kinukusin mo. Wala akong magawa. Inilit ako ng tatay mo. Wala nang kaibigan dito.
Kompleto na ang 200 pesos ng La Playa Roja.
Papasok na ako. Sige. Papayat sila naman. Makakarating na tayo na sa'yo. Kailangan nila. Kaso, sa tayo dito, hindi na mga bata ko. Basta mas tayo tulungan ng tao. Tulungan mo na natin. O bakit, ay? Kailangan may pati ko. Alam mo, Samaritan,
Ang husay niya sa pag-asinta.
huwag mong bubulutin niya. Mas mabilis ako sa'yo.
Ang kanyang magiging sandata laban sa mga maangas umasta. Pero meron din sila malalaban sa kanya.
iniwan mo ako.
Sumali ka ulit sa akin. Mababawi mo lang ang kapatid ko kung ikaw ang magiging kapatid niya.
Tungkol sa Sunday Blockbusters.
Pag-invite, expert fee, 3 times ka linis. Mas malinis kaysa ba? Tingnan pang bahay. Pag-iba. Dapat malinis, dapat tayo.
No one's immune to hair fall. My hair gets its daily dose of provitamins through Pantene. Formula with provitamins, B5, and biotin to help with hair fall immunity for 10 times less hair fall. Pantene.
Magic ang kamay ni Mami. Pag hinahagis ako sa dibdib ko, gumagaan ang pagbubo ko. Dito, mas nakakahinga na po ako. At dito, nababawasan ko ang sakit ng ulo ko.
Hindi ito magic. Pag may araw-araw tibay, araw-araw buhusay. Pag may katawan at iba resistensya, mas makakapag-aral ng mahusay. Bear Brand.
Ang ganda ng sipon kapag hirap ang immunity. Ang best ever meals like Plus Water with zinc. Napatagas ang immunity laban sa sipon virus. Mas bilis galing. Meals like Plus Water. Hindi na yan.
Ito na ba yung baka? Pinipressure ko pa. Wala ka bang balak mag-asawa?
Oh, eh! Hindi mo
Energy, new Nivea Derma-Control Defend helps strengthen skin defense with microhyaluron and vitamins. Firm and bright underarm skin. Nivea is for skin.
Sports is a great teacher. It teaches discipline, grit, and teamwork. Sa sports na tututo mag-champion sa buhay. Get your child into sports today.
Namin ang hair. Kaya yan with just a finger comb. Thanks to Palmolive Naturals. With 100% natural aloe vera extract for hair so smooth that you can just finger comb.
Ang sugot ko, Annie, may nunok na. Clinically proven how to strengthen bones, joints, and muscles. MFGM, high in calcium and protein, may collagen and B vitamins. At Annie nunok, same goodness. Okay, hindi. Ito rin bibili. On the Jollibee Burger Steak. Bigger patty na, more sauce pa. Sarap. Kasi ayaw namin matindi na.
Sobrang sakit? Relax na. Flanax deals with the real cause of pain. We care.
Panatag po.
Sobrang sakit? Panatagsak na anak mo from Tyson. Sarap pag-road trip.
Back pain.
Sobrang sakit? Relax na. Flanax deals with the cause of pain. We care. Sobrang sakit? Panatagsak na anak. Also available. Flanax Hot, Rheumatic and Body Pain Cream from Tyson. Pero nagbago dahil sa'yo.
Ang saya, nagbibigay ng kumakapit na inom na.
Bago ko!
Ang sarap-saya, hinaramdam, tumatagal, pinapalitan. Nandiyan ang sasaya, may sarap at may saya. Ang sarap, ang saya.
Spices Perfect Match. Tutulungan kita hanapin ang perfect match mo. What's your secret? Should we live yet?
What you see is what you get.
It's a match! Just like Kingzone. Our choice of Tyranny of the Philippines. Get up to 100% deposit bonus plus 1% daily first deposit rebate. Unbelievable talaga! Bigay niya ako. Sa di nakaka-stress. Play for fun. Play responsibly. Gambling is not an accepted way of livelihood and does not solve financial problems.
Oishi potato fries. It's cheesy to love.
Ayusin mo nga yan. Ma.
They wouldn't even be here in the first place. Wala nagaan siya ng tama.
Diretsin mo ko.
Huwag tayo nagsisihan. Focus tayo sa pagpapagaling kay Mama. Sa home. Ayaw ko siyang mawala.
Bakit maswerte ang kalendaryo? Bakit? Kasi marami siyang date. Sa sayo nyo, kakapingin. Kapit, kapit, inset.
Your playground? Now online. Bet the Play has over 1,500 games. Secure and fast gameplays. Meron pang pay for fun option to try all the games. Ibang swerte to. Bet88.ph. Pag nilagnat after bakuna, turn ka agad.
Pero di pa siya kumakain. Pwede bigyan ng tetra kahit wala pang kain.
Fast take, no shake, mapait sa tummy.
Ang galing ng tetra.
Naktigal ka?
Tandaan naman.
Ako, may lagnat ka.
Tetra agad. Ang tetra, pwede sa wala naman yan.
Fast take, no shake, mapait sa tummy.
Ang galing ng tetra. Ang programang ito ay rated SPG, striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang
Mami T.
maaaring may masisirang tema, lingwahe,
Remix
perasaan,
TV.
sexual,
Good
horror o
evening.
droga na
Arlene
hindi
B.
angkop sa mga bata.
Diyos. Panginoon Diyos. Ayos. Kailan? Bigyan niyo ako ng pagkakataon. Para makabawi sa lahat ng mga pagkukulong ko. Sana ako. Kay Marites. Alam ako, wala siya pa. Alam ko wala akong karapatan humingi sa inyo ng pabor. Dahil mga babatay tao. Marami akong mga buhay na nilabastakan dahil sa paglalasa ko. Iwaman, karoon ng kapangyarihan. Yapo is mine. Maghihiganti ang mga kalaban mo. Babalik sa iyong kasama mo. Magkano ba ang kailangan mo? Para maging mamanos na tayo. Kalaban na pera ang ginawa mong pagwasak sa buhay ko. Humingi ako ng tawad sa lahat ng mga kasalanan na gawa ko sa kanya. Pero ang totoo na uhulog na ang damdamin mo sa nanay mo.
Humihingi ka ng tawad dahil hindi lang alam mo na kung ano mga pinagdaanan ko.
Nagsisisi ako sa lahat ng mga nagawa ko. Gusto kong itama lahat ito. Pero gusto kong malaman mo na handa akong mahalin mo. Kayong dalawa.
Alam mo, natao ka lang. Nagkakamali. Nararamdaman ko na haharapin mo yung pagkakamali niya para gumawa ng tama.
Patawarin niyo. Patawarin niyo ako. Bigyan niyo ako ng pagkakataon. Nagsisisi na ako. Patawarin. Ikaw. Bigyan niyo ako ng isang pagkakataon. Tagol.
Sabi mo? Ano nangyari dyan?
Tagol.
Pagdating ko rito, puno ako ng galit. Pero hindi malinaw sa akin kung anong kailangan kong gawin. Paparusahan na lang sa
Ano hindi sila sinasabi sa akin?
ngipin, sa ngipin, galos, sa galos.
I'm re-investigating this. Gusto ko malaman ang tukang nila ng concern na sa kapabaran ng LRT.
Nakita mo pa ulit yung kapatid ko. Ako makakarap mo. Ngayon, Bernice, emergency meeting. May importante ako sasabihin.
Pupunta daw sa'yo.
or protect them from harmful germs. I choose the new Safeguard with complete 10 germ protection. Unlike another antidote, it protects against 10 types of harmful germs. Bakit ka ba nataya sa iba?
What a twist sa pansit! Lucky Pansit Canton recipes! Lutuin ang Pansit Canton fried with egg. Lucky Pansit Canton omelette. Try mo na para sarapin sa achieve!
Family ko po pala. Si Mom, Dad, Ate, Lola Ida, ako sa tuhod, mga pinsang buo at si Girlie. Pinsang malayo.
Botang kasayaan ba? Mag-westy! Botang nasagana ngayong Pasko!
My two flavors, the original and special one. Yeah, cheesy burger with a cheesy cat. My two flavors, the original and special big guy.
Fresh, no facts ng dating. Saan lang namin yan sa katawan at isipan. Baka tumitinto na tayo ah.
Try new Bear Brand Agro Plus. Now with 3 para may tibay na katawan at ngayon may tibay isipan pa.
Kahit yung katito,
Tita,
Hindi ba new Bear Brand Agro Plus? Christmas season is finally here. May mga naninibago, may nasasabik at may abala pa. Pero kahit magkakaiba ang Pasko, magagawa natin creamy special ito. May have a special handaan with Lady's Choice.
Hey guys, I'm Eric Kate and Bear.
Bakit tayo nga kasi? Baka dandruff yan. Use head and shoulder.
He is a fan favorite in Richard. About his role as the starter coming off the bench. Tough to take him off the floor. He got the nod tonight. He is delivering 2 for 2 inside the arc. That's made a 3. Back to Maxey. He's like a lightning bolt. Can't turn the ball over the top of the key. Kills him.
Shopping sa umaga, kaya ko mag-magic.
Magic sarap, all in one. Kaya ang lutuin, may sarap na nakakagising.
Uy, ang sarap sa umaga.
Kagagawan niya ng magic.
Sabi ni Doc, healthy eating. Sabi ni Doc, sleep early.
Sabi ni Doc, kumain ng immune system. Immune Pro, tulong para 100% immunity. Magtiwala sa Pro, sabi ni Doc, Immune Pro. Hindi lang yan.
Luto na ba yung baka? Pinipressure ko pa. Wala ka pa parang mag-asawa? Buti na lang, yung 555 na. Wala ka nang iisipin. Red para sa kalit.
Your playground, now online. Epicate has over 1,500 games. Secure and fast increase. Meron pang free for fun option to try all the games. Ibang swerte ko. Bet.elite.ph. 1, 2,
Sobrang sakit. Flanax na.
Flanax deals with the real cause of pain. We care.
Panakot tabi. Sobrang sakit. Panakot sa Flanax.
From Tyson. Sarap pag-road trip.
Bakit?
Sobrang sakit. Flanax na. Flanax deals with the cause of pain. We care. Sobrang sakit. Panakot sa Flanax. Also available. Flanax Hub, rheumatic and body pain cream from Tyson.
Today, let's make our own version of tuna bibimbap using San Marino corn tuna Spanish style.
Sweet, sarap, sulit. Ang sarap na sweet and spicy flavor ng tuna. Mag-switch na sa San Marino corn tuna.
Cancer na. Ba't yung sinabi mo?
Wala na. Ikaw na.
Magpapakita ko ulit.
No, ayoko. Ayaw mong gumaling ba? Ayoko ba? Ang kulit. Ayoko na lumuksuka. Ayoko na lumakalap mo.
That's so selfish, ma.
Ako ang mamamatay.
Pero kami ang may iwan.
Bemit sa tayo. Pasko na ulit. Holiday rush everywhere. Daming gagawin, daming handaan. Need mo help? We got you. Dahil ang best Christmas gift, ang food so good ng tikong si tita. Fried chicken, burger, and more. Pasko na, we got you. Tama? Dahil na si baby, mag-ingat sa dehydration. Mom, Viva Light. Viva Light is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, Viva Light. Taas ng lagnat, ingat sa dehydration. Mag-Viva Light. Viva Light is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration. Mag-ingat sa dehydration, Viva Light. Stop that yummy, gusto ko ng coffee. Stop that chili, gusto ko ng hindi gusto ko. Hot nila choco, inalilig ko dito. Say cookie, dito. Watch out, number square choo-choo. Promise me, hindi ko mabibitin. With that baby egg, hindi ko mabibitin sa laro. Secure at napakaraming payment options for fast cash in and out ng panalo mo. Ibang swerte doon. Bet in it, don't pinch.
Ang hanap ng Red Horse Beer, extra strong na beer mo. Lakas ng tama pero di wasak sa hamon ng Pinos. Red Horse is strong, the number one and strong beer in the world.
Ang tuloy.
sexy photos mo, kalagi nang ginagawa ni Tito. So, hindi ako papayag na basta-basta na yung makatakas yung nagbigay sa akin.
At yayanin ang laban sa Santa Terra. Ito na ba ang huling na laban? SBJ's Batang Quiapo.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG, striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan.
DraftKings Sportsbook. He was 75% from the line last year, knocks down his first two of this season. The lead is 6 for the Sixers. Maxi's got 22, Edgecombe with 16. Good ball movement. Ends up with Maxi. Final 3 seconds and a half. It's Edgecombe. That's how the second quarter comes to a close.
Down by 6. We couldn't have shot the ball any worse. But a lot of good things. Wide open, uncontested three-point shot is down for RR Pagod. 25-point lead to TNT 71-46 by the Contra. Off the line-off. This program is brought to you by Aretha Plus official.
Sights and Sounds brought to you by TD Bank, America's most convenient bank. Welcome back to the Garden. We start the third quarter with the Celtics trailing the Sixers by 6 in the season opener. Drew and Scout back with you courtside here. And Scout, good start for the Celtics, and then what changed?
I know this sounds, I hate this cliche, but I really think they started missing shots. I think that led to fast break opportunities for Philadelphia. If they can settle in and knock down some threes, they really struggled half of the first quarter and in the second. I think a lot of things will square themselves up, but they do got to get back. A lot of those are off turnovers and miss long threes.
The Celtics efficient from 2, struggling from outside there. We'll see if water finds its level. Abby Chin, what's your run at halftime?
Yeah, guys, that's exactly what assistant head coach Sam Cassell told me. Transition defense. He said the Celtics gave up 18 points in transition in that first half. They've got to do a better job of getting that and keeping them off the free throw line. He said, I know Tyrese Maxey is responsible for a lot of that. We have got to do a conscious job on him, not defending, especially when we are in the penalty. But guys, also bad news. Luka Garza has entered concussion protocol. He will not be back tonight.
Yeah, big loss for the Celtics in the front court. We saw Garza with a bloody mouth. So he is done for the night. First half stats by Jason Stone. Official injury log for the Boston Celtics. Injured? Better from the start.
Similar stats right here. The fast break points really are a big deal. And second chance opportunities.
extra time staff outside the ball. How long ago do we think our last producer Paul Lucy comes up 8:23 in the second for the last three-point shot. Was 5:26. How many in a row is that for us? 10 in a row, 10 or 11 in a row, something like that. 12 in a row. As Maxey is called for the offensive foul. Pritchard dropping points, getting it down. Big Pritchard clear that restricted area, get to a spot, take the hit. So foul on Felix Maxey, 22 points.
Has been happening for the past few days. Those teams finished seeing and so today is Papa's Eve, and it's the men's open round of 64 ongoing. So we're going to make our way to the beach of Cloud9 to watch. Now,
That ball was not in play, so it should be one shot. And something to receive the ball. Okay, wait from the play. Push-ups, and you're going underwater, it's not easy holding your breath like that. I'm just glad you survived. If anyone ever wanted to get rid of you, it's just going to it starts the corner for JV. 5-0 run on his own to open the second half. Maxey has a fight against the Blaze. Those two players. Really, the decision came to decide about themselves. Isolated Sleeper. Oh, man. What a pay, but he's called for the offensive foul. He pretty much twisted an ankle. He did something. This all right right now. You're allowed to use your cover, your shoulder, all that.
the prompts are over for the shutdown leg, and dito muna kami nagpamano sa Bulalo. Our favorite Bulalo place is Bulalo Cantina. So all foods, recipes they have here, you want to try something. We are with seeing or learning it. Yes, I am so proud of their performance.
How was your goal? Fun? Like it? How about you, boy?
Listen to this. Sixers. Celtics 14-4 to start the third quarter. That's a call for Audi. You're doing an Audi dealer today. That's the Celtics watch their flag rises up in fire. The crowd, the buzz, feel the energy shift, and you gotta love it. Derek White, the best shot blocking guard in the league. Thousands, you know he's living right. He's at home. And that ball hits the top of the backboard and goes in. Derek White, feeling good, making plays. And just like that, the night is back. The Celtics started 5 for 26 from downtown. They're 3 for 36. It's a reverse from the opener last year when they couldn't miss for 3 quarters. And then they tried to get the rush and they couldn't win that drive. Drives on Maxey, finds an open Tillman. Hauser draws the elite matchup, gets it up out of the double. Oubre push it. That's what they do. Richard, a little stop and go. White draws the foul. 3 free throws coming for Derek White. He just needed a little bit from Dominic Miller. Good job by Richard. Pushing the ball. Forcing it, bringing it out. Barlow off. All customers choose your own reward. He's an African Muslim. You know what? He's a great guy. I'm happy for him. Even though he's bring different part about it. You know, it's a TV world. Yeah. Watch it come on the world. Everybody here loves playing different. The official league, which is playing. 18 points. Derek White will last in 265 threes for the season. That was a franchise record. Taylor Mitchell also broke the record, which was Isaiah Thomas. On the three-point line, he takes it anyway. White scores for the lead. He was 0 for 3 on threes, 1 for 8 overall. Derek White with a step. I don't know what was said at halftime, maybe you can find that out later on. But Derek White is a good player in this third quarter. Gives the screen, he's going to keep moving, by contact. You've got to run action now. It's not easy to score and be good in the drop coverage, but the more action you run towards him, the more likely you're going to get a good shot eventually. Offensive ball presented by Bernie and Phils. Choose from their 2 best offers for the best of the best. The Celtics have the most wins all time in season openers. The second best win percentage. Only the Spurs have a better win percentage. San Antonio's 34-14. Another tie for second on the list for most wins is the Sixers. Joe Mazzulla, season openers. I almost told him that stat before the game. I knew what he was saying. Simons off the bench for the first time in the second half. Score. Bonaparte score. Nothing Milwaukee for the Celtics. Grimes missed the wide open three. Simons cleans the glass. Brown goes right at next goal. Simons. As he stops the lead. 25 tough shot. Still been blocked by Embiid. Thought it was on the glass before Embiid got a piece. He gets a clean block. Now White, he's got the hot hand. It's around Maxey, and he's fouled again. Derek White is living at the line in this third quarter because he's aggressive coming off the screen and goals. The ball comes to the Celtics are playing into action. You see Tim and Jay on screen. They'll watch you see the little bit of the as he moves on. That was amazing. With the cars in the second half. Makes 4 fouls on Tyrese Maxey.
We're back here last day for the Water Challenge. It's final day and Papa made it all the way through to the semifinals. We're waiting for his coming soon. Papa. This is his favorite spot. So I'm really proud of him that this is the great out. It's just that right now the plates are really small, but I hope that the luck will still be on his side in terms of hard work and ability to decide what
Second free throws.
Master Plumber 2020,
One login,
and
one
certified
subscription.
plastic mechanic.
Cleaning apps na. Super. This one.
The season start is delivered to you by Chipotle.
I feel like I'm
Jalen
auditioning
Brown
for a
questionable
commercial.
coming into this game due to hamstring tightness, but clearly he's doing all right. He's got 13, 5, and 3 so far tonight. It is year 10 for Jalen, and he
Naging cover ng Time Magazine. I remember, nag-interview ko ng mga Hollywood celebrities. However, nagkaroon ako ng konting scandal. After that,
between him and Celtics coach. That hard work didn't go nowhere.
I used to not be able to speak too much about it, but I've made a lot of mistakes since then, but I never regretted the most important and best decision
It is Jalen Brown Day on October 24th.
Yes.
Circle your calendars. It
my
also
life.
just so happens to be his birthday. But a well-deserved honor for Jalen as he heads into
Yeah,
this
yung permanent residence ko.
He's going to celebrate Jalen Brown Day with a 50-piece at Madison Square Garden. It's nice. I like how he was calling Dick Van Son. Let's give him all the secrets. Give it out like the Krabby Patty secret recipe. How easy it was. Knicks fans were so, oh man, they were so bad. That's what they're best at, getting mad. The House were almost supposed to do that. That's 27 straight free throws made for St. And I said it after the match. He doesn't shoot a whole lot. What he does, he makes it.
So, parang naging buwan na ako kasi for the longest time I felt like I was drowning financially, and I like a lot. Actually, it was the first time I left the Philippines to go to Vegas. I went to Vegas for 3 years, and then dun ako nag-realize sa Southland. That's when it became official. And then I came back, and then my focus then was so I wasn't very confident. Grabe, no, parang hearing your story na you went through that struggle na yung making ends meet, yung struggle of getting work again. It hurts to even think about it. Pero, in my head, like, yung I look back, looking back, hindi yung Donita Rose, the it girl of all it girls para sa akin. Like, naging cover ng Time Magazine. I remember, nag-interview ko ng mga Hollywood celebrities. Hindi ko makakalimutan nung shinare mo na na-interview mo si Tom Cruise and you said na sobrang ganda ni Penelope Cruz in person. Wow, yeah. Nung umalis na yung mga pizza ko, lumamigrate sila sa States sa Nahiya. May malaking globe billboard doon. Tapos nakatingin ako, tapos toyo mo pa, for me, nagsisimula akong realize na she had the dream. Well, looking back, hearing you say this, it doesn't feel like it's me. But when I look back, I see a lot of hardships that I went through. Somehow I always believe that kung marami kang pinagdaanan na hardships, it kind of keeps your feet on the ground so you don't get so full of yourself. I guess that's God's way of keeping us humble. When you see hardships, then you see hardships. Iba't ibang klase. There's financial, syempre heartache, family drama. You moved to the Philippines 5 years old, and then wala pa sa isip mo. Funny wala. Kasi accidental lang yung pagka-discover sa in 1989, in December, my mom would organize one trip a year to Manila para mag-shopping sa mga sinasabayan ng nanay ko yung pag-bisita sa so sabi nung dentist na yun, tumanin sa GP school.
He's one and done at Baylor. 20 years old. Nice way to finally save. also frequent danger. He is poised, takes his time, shoots the ball, doesn't rush it. This guy's his first game. He got a real boost. Real boost. He's going to be at the context when we win 3 of those things. Watch. Edgecombe's one of those guys like the Thompson twins where you're not misfit. Exactly. It's like, these are the best athletes in the world. Yeah. They got away with carry there. They'll be out for a second. Boucher takes it away. Getting ready for the Ugo experience. Celtics rookie Gonzalez getting ready to check in the game. Oh, yeah. Nice move. Oh, give him the 2 little. Give him the 2 little. Man, how about that body? That's what all the time in the weight room will do for you. Season. Go off the pick and roll. Fouls on the Sixers out, but can't have the last guy foul. I can't say sort of. That's another 2-for-1 opportunity by him being able to shoot 2 free throws. Celtics will get the final shot out the quarter. Kid is playing well tonight. Yeah. 17 minutes, 8 points, 5 rebounds. He started 6 games last year. Wednesday against Toronto, the preseason finale, by far his best preseason game this season. Take your game night experience to the next level with the Celtics Suite for the best view, service, and amenities. Visit Celtics.com/suites to learn more. Very impressive representing Portugal at Eurobasket, averaged more than 15 points per game. Led them to their first knockout round trip in that tournament's history. They're 22. This is the defense that the coaches killed the media on. Every media member is having PTSD right now. Maybe so the media should watch now on how they broke the press. Wasn't as bad as the Nuggets did. That's called foul by line. Now the kid was 3 on his bad. It's just not paying the pass on the possession. Oh, that is not. Turns the shot clock off. Maxwell for one of the Celtics. Lead by 11, their largest lead tonight. Let's go. Might not stand with it. Only for a moment, though. Edgecombe got it over once and missed it. He's going to have to settle for 25 points through 3 in his NBA debut. But the third quarter was all about Derek White. He sparks a spurt for the Seas, and they've got their largest edge on the night with 12 minutes to go.
Where are you from? Tayo paano Hindi ako kaso. Ang seryoso. One login, one subscription. Mas multiple streaming apps na seryoso pa.
First regular season game of the year for the Celtics. Trail at halftime, but up by 11 as we start the 4th quarter on a gorgeous Wednesday evening. It's time for the road to victory, brought to you by Sullivan Tire. We're always here to get you there. You got to win the case. In the 4th quarter, that was the issue in the first half. Much better in the 3rd. Derek White was the star of the 3rd. He was 10 for 3 as we look at the stats. The 3 by Jason Stone injury lawyers. Official injury one for the Boston Celtics. Injured? That was on side. This is just the 3rd quarter. 17 free throws. I knew there was a lot. I knew the discrepancy was that much. Shot 5 free throws in the first half and 17 in the 3rd quarter. Fouls on Brown.
Alonso replaces Boucher.
We have that stretch where we are knocking down threes, but we're still not burning it up. Under 25% from three.
He missed again. 0 for 4 from downtown. He has 4 points. That's Bush on back. He's in Brown. Right into Paul George on the Sixers bench. 5 fouls. Tyrese Maxey. He and Edgecombe both had 25. No one else a double figures for Philly.
Another kid that's good for their team is Jared McCain. So, wide open. I'm sure that was the right defense there. Hurts doesn't seem to be upset. That was a wide open 18-footer.
Foul on Hauser. Tight whistle here to start the fourth. Right in front of Richardson family. And Terry Pritchard leads that. He's going to single-handedly try to keep them in this.
That is such a difficult shot off the dribble.
Jaylen Brown. It's the Hornets, 2 of the easiest buckets of the season.
What's going on with that? We'll take it.
He can catch fire. That is 31 points for Tyrese Maxey. Brown has the block. Just short. There's a travel, yeah.
Hey, but we know, not sure if he's the same player. I'm not sure. He's not the same player he was when he won the MVP, but still has the presence of potentially in there.
Oh, that's 3 in a row for Tyrese Maxey.
He's walking down this lead.
So it's 3-2 right off the Brown. Another one this year. Jaylen Brown started year 10 as a Celtic. 15th player to win at least 10 seasons with this team. Last guy to do it is in the house tonight, Paul Pierce. Walker got a hand on it for Philly. 8-point Celtics lead. Anthony Simons. Two-hand jam. He's got a cross on it. Everything else are credit. Here's Matthews in the corner, holding up their blade for Simons. Yeah, the Chisholm's loving it, Celtics fans. You're gonna love Anthony Simons. Quick as a handcuff, 10-point lead.
Everyone, I use my phone. I am the guest.
Streaming is this one. New Signal Super. One login, one subscription. For multiple streaming apps now. Signal Super. All you need is one.
Hey, Thursday at 6 o'clock, that's another edition of Quick Slants. Tommy Curran has the latest on the Patriots as they get ready for the Browns. It's presented by your local New England Honda dealers.
Here's a Hyundai Drive. Test drive a new Hyundai today, only at your local Hyundai dealers. Simons, good crossover, elevates, throws it down. He's got game.
People might forget Anthony Simons won the slam dunk contest in 2021. And we're still looking to fact check this. But he's got a chance one day to become the first player to win the dunk contest in a three-point shootout. He says it's never happened before. Mike Zaren says he takes his word for it. He's not sure. It's kind of hard to believe anyone's done both.
Yeah.
Usually, I take oil and water. Yeah. But he's one of the best three-point shooters in the league. 6 from deep. So 13 points overall. Double-digit lead again for the Celtics with defense from Hauser. All of the offensive rebound. Missoula doesn't like that. It leads to 3 for Oscar. What a 1-2 punch. Let's not go. Take it out, Hauser. Oh, no. Stolen by Maxey. Here's the speed. Simons with the recovery. Huge play by Simons. That's how you endear yourself to the fans here. Well, defensively, Maxey, one of the fastest guys in the league, but good hustle by Simons. Clean strip. That's the type of play that can inspire your team. Simons now switching on the edge ball. He's a guy who is not known for his defense. That was a red hot thing, important play, offensive player, not a good defensive player. He has taken that to heart this year. He knows the way for his team. He's got to defend that. This is a 4-point game for Browns. It's Harris doing a good job of moving the ball. Right now, they're just scorching hot for 3. Good ball. It's a foul. Let's go. Speaking of fouls, the Celtics shot 17 free throws in the third quarter. First time in 10 years, they shot at least 17 free throws in a quarter. Brown goes right, and Maxey finds a wide open lane. Nice call. Open floor, he's unstoppable. How about this debut? First game, Boston Garden, got a 30-piece.
Win prizes when you watch on Signal. Just scan the code, spin the wheel, and win a prize. Start watching to start winning. This basketball on NBC Sports Boston is brought to you by Honeydew. Stop by your favorite Honeydew today and do life. Buy your New England Chevy Boots. By Jason Stone, these new ones.
Well, tip off the season with Fresh Gear. Check out the latest drops and fresh fits from jerseys, apparel, headwear, and more. Visit CelticsStore.com today. A Fanatics experience. You can make your Halloween costume something sweet. All-time performance for a rookie in his first game for Philadelphia 76 with Allen Iverson at 30 years. 6 rookie debut. Pretty good. Anytime you're in the same category as Allen Iverson, 6 or 6'3", doing something. He's got almost 8 minutes to so pass that is drop. Drop goes airborne. That's the call, guys. I got blocked. Still talking. Let's take a look. Jalen Brown. That's a block already. Yeah, it seems cool. He's still so the guy that makes sense in clearly his toes, but he was in the circle with Jalen Brown. Okay. Oh man, they're talking the other way. Offensive foul. I can see the never made the scene. Where you going here? Lewis. Close. Restricted. Oh, we're going to do it. Yeah, we're going to do it. Green light special. They're now looking at over ankle camera. Gives a clip. He's on his toes. It's going to be close. Well, we got green light special. Turn first of the year. Let's take the view from the floor. Look at that.
Win prizes when you watch on Signal. Just scan the code, spin the wheel, and win a prize. Start watching to start winning.
Successful challenge
21 points in division. 4 on his throw. Here's Marshall from his ticket.
Separation, that we cannot
Thank you.